Hello, my name is Morgan Folk with Crafty as Folk. Welcome back to my channel. Since I recently decided to revamp my whole channel, on this channel you will see all things sewing related. We're going to talk about fabric, patterns, machines, and all sorts of different sewing related topics. On this channel I'm going to try and break everything down so that even a beginner sewer can have a lot of fun and create a successful product. The main purpose of this channel is so that people who want to learn to sew or get better at sewing can do so easily and with confidence. If you keep watching, some of the benefits are that you will get notified the next time that I do a giveaway, and you'll have the opportunity to enter for those giveaways. You will also get notified when I have new tutorials available, and also product releases from my Etsy shop, such as patterns or sewing kits. So if you're interested in learning how to sew or learning new aspects of sewing, if you're an experienced sewist already, then please click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you will get notified next time a tutorial launches. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye!